Hi everyone, I am Mari, your yoga teacher, and this is Yoga to Focus on the Productivity for your everyday. The mind is always wandering. It's either on the past, thinking on the things that we haven't done, on regrets, or maybe is thinking in the future, in anxieties, and the things that we need to do. And the thing is that in the present moment we are in a turbulent mind that doesn't seem to stop, and that makes us distant and distracted on our goals. So what the science of yoga proposes for this is to calm the mind by focusing on something that is very primitive and simple: the breathing. Think on the breathing. It's always happening and we don't even seem to notice it. I am feeling very enthusiastic to invite you to calm your mind, to calm the turbulence of your thoughts on our thoughts by sitting every day the way I am sitting, on the floor or on a mat, to open your chest, to open your heart, and try not to judge this method. Try not to judge yourself. Just trust on the method. Trust in yourself. Try to keep a gentle heart with you and with others. Put your hands on your knees. You can either place it like this. Close your eyes and focus on the breathing. Try to feel the breathing. Inhaling deeply through your nostril. Filling your lungs with air. And exhaling. Try to empty the lungs and feel the pass of the air also through your nostril. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Feel your heart beating. Try to focus only on that. Try to see, with your eyes closed of course, try to feel that small space between your upper lip and your nostrils, and try to feel the little tickles that the pass of the air do it on that tiny little space on your face. Especially when the air comes out, you can feel those tickles. Inhaling deeply, exhaling deeply. If the mind wanders once again, you try gently to place it on the present moment, here and now. That's the main thing, the only important thing. Next, I would like to show you a breathing exercise that is very simple but requires your whole attention. So you can open your eyes again, feel the pass of the air. You can place your hand like this. So your index and your middle fingers closes the left nostril. Inhale through your right nostril. Inhale. Hold it. And with your thumb, close the right nostril. Liberate your left nostril and exhale through. Inhale. Change. Exhale. Inhale. Change. Exhale. Close your eyes and focus on this exercise. It's simple but requires your whole attention. Inhale through your left nostril. Change it. Exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Change. Exhale. Inhale. Change. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Change. Exhale. Release your nose. Open your eyes. Feel it. You can do this exercise every day, at any time, any place, and you can do it as long as you want to. This exercise is supposed to calm your mind by changing the hemispheres of the brain. Elevate your arms. And now let's focus the sight on your fingertips. Look at it. Exhaling. Lower your hands to your pelvis and then inhaling, looking up. Look at your fingertips. Focus on the thumbs. Exhaling. Look at the thumbs. Inhaling, looking up. Eyes on the thumbs. Exhaling. Let's do it one more time. Inhale. Look at the thumbs. Try not to think of anything else but the pass of the air and looking at your fingers. Place your hands in front of you. Elevate your sit bone. Place your weight on your knees. And we are now on all fours. Look at your hands. They must be under your shoulders. Look at your knees. They must be under your hips. Place the weight now on your toes. Inhaling, looking up. Happy cat pose. Exhaling, look at your belly button. Angry cat pose. Inhaling, looking up. Try to watch your forehead. Exhaling, try to look at your belly button. Inhaling, we are releasing tensions on the back also. Look at your forehead. Exhaling, look at your belly button. Let's do it one more time. Inhaling, looking up at your forehead. Exhaling, look at your belly button. Let's train our mind by doing the plank pose. Extend your legs, hands below your shoulders. Spread your feet to the width of your hip and look at the point of your nose. Focus on the breathing. Focus on nothing else but the breathing. Maybe you're feeling tired, maybe you're feeling exhausted, but that is only mental. You can do more than that. Let's do it one more time. You're strong enough to do it, so trust yourself. Inhale. And exhaling, don't change the position of the hands or the feet, and let's go to Adho Mukha Svanasana in Sanskrit. Extend your elbows and your knees. Lower your heels as much as you can. Press the floor against your hands or press your hands against the floor. Inhaling deeply, exhaling deeply. tailbone up. Now inhaling, look at the space between your hands. Walk slowly, inhaling on one pace, exhaling on the other pace. Slowly. Spread your feet to the width of your hip. And now focus on the tip of your nose. And place the head between your legs. Again, inhaling deeply, exhaling deeply. Calming down the mind by stretching your body. Inhale and exhaling, flex a little bit your knees and then rolling up, stand up, exhaling, rolling down, try to administrate that exhalation and try to administrate the next inhalation. Inhaling, rolling up. Exhaling, rolling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. And let's do it one more time. Inhaling. Exhale. You can spread your legs a little bit to the width of your shoulders or maybe a little more. Your toes can look up or you can look at you. Again, can do this. Okay. Inhaling, looking up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down, prepare yourself to have a nice and productive day. Exhaling down, inhaling. Place your hands together to your chest. Make a wish of peace. And exhaling, namaste. Wish you a happy and productive day. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you next time.